Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about set reset command in Fatek PLC. Let's start. First of all, we will open our Winproladder software which is installed at my computer. In previous videos already I told how to install this software, and now today we will discuss about the create new project and set reset command how we can use in Fatek PLC. First of all, we will have to create the new project. Secondly, first which PLC you have here, you can first of all you can give your project name. For example, I will put it here name set reset command command. Command. Secondly, you can click on edit, and here you can choose which is your PLC model. I have FBS series, which if you have a HB1 series or FBN or FBE, FB minus, which model you have, you can select here easily. I will select this my FBS series, and in next you have to be choose how much points of your PLC. I have a 44 points of my PLC model. If you have 10 points, you have 14, you have 20, this is 24, 32. This is you can find at your PLC upside written on the main that I have that 44 points PLC, and that model is MN, and then click it OK. And here also you can give the description which kind of program you like to make or whatever, you can write any. After clicking OK, after this look like this window interface will be comes, and then you have to be start your function. Set reset have two kinds in Winproladder. First of all, I will take my one input, and that's I give the address X. I will use the internal memory, because if we use the X addressing, you have to be physically make the wiring with PLC, and so I will use M0. This is my internal memory relay, and next I will use this set Y0. For example, I will choose Y0 because the Y0 is pulse in this model. Y0 is pulse output, so I will start from Y10. Y10, and after I will take one more contact here, M1, and I will make that one reset command Y10. Why? Because M0 I will make it the set condition for Y10, and M1 I will make the reset condition for M10. So this small program I will download to the PLC, make it online, go to the check auto, and which is your port have your cable is communicate with your PC, that will be shown on this area. And after you click OK, and he says can connect to the PLC port number COM3 station number 1 band rate, and at this bit priority even connect now, click it yes. Now it's no connecting, and click it checks, and if your PLC is in running condition, it will be stopped first, and after your program download, and that later on it will be run. Now your program is running, and let's click OK. Now your program is ready, downloaded to your PLC, and then you can make it in run condition. Here is a F9 also you can use for run condition, and also you can click it from here with mouse cursor. When you click it once, after here may be some error count or warning show, leave it this one, click it OK, and again he is asking are you sure to start the PLC, click it again, yes. After when it's this interface running, your red line will be highlighted on the right side. Now your program is ready in the PLC and your PLC is in running condition. Click it simply on this bit and right click and click it on, and your Y10 is now set in, goes to set condition. Y10 is now on, and if you like to stop this one, it will be not stop from here. You have to be make it off, but your Y10 will be continuously running. When you like to stop this one, you have to give signal at M1 after your Y10 will be reset, and this you have to be make it again off. So this is the first way to make it set and reset. Any bit you can use M0, M10, M20. This is the internal memory already I shows you in the PLC in the program. If you make the stop PLC, can stop in ladder this project. This is the IO configuration, and you go this one, and you can check it here also. Not this one, this is project memory allocation. When you go to the memory allocation, here you can see this is retentive coil total 0 to 1400. This is how much total? 600. M800 from the address start from 800 to M1399. And retentive step relay totals 0 to 980, and this is the total 500 relays, and start from S500 to S999. And next he says there is a timer inside 0.01 milliseconds, have 0 to 256. This is the total timers 50, T0 to T49, and 0.1 second timer totals 0 to 256. This is the 150 total timers, T50 to T199. In 1 second total timers are 56, start from T200 to T255. And retentive 16-bit counters total 0 to 200, 140, start from C0 to C139. And retentive 32-bit counters total 0 to 56, 40, and C200 from start address from C200 to C239. And retentive data registers also, this will be inshallah next lectures. I will explain to you data registers where and why used, and these are 3000 data registers, start from R0 to R2999, and ROR registers total also 3000, 0 to 3720. Reset to default, click it OK. This theory also he says in input contacts also he showing X0 to X255, total bits 256, and output relays how much he says from start from Y0 to Y255, total 256. Internal relay retentive memory means he says which memory you like to store the data in your PLC, that will be not deleted after your power supply gone or stop condition or start condition. It which you will stored, this will be continuously stored here. This will be never deleted. But non-retentive data relays, this will be unlatched data, means any value you can stored, this will be not on. In next lectures, I will explain you how we use retentive and non-retentive data relays. See, internal relay retentive start from M800 to M1300 99, total 600. Internal relay non-retentive. From start from M0 to M799, this is total 800 memories relays. And non-retentive also start from M1400 to M1911, total 512. Special release only 90. Starting address from 1912 to M2001. Same as step relay retentive 500, step relay non-retentive 500. And time is also, he says, T0 to T49 50, and 1 second, 0.1 second, this is 150 timers, and 1 second timers, total 56 timers. And 16 bit counter retentive C, start from C0 to C139, total is 140. Also same like 16-bit counter, this is non-retentive 60 and this is retentive 40. Same this memory you can see in this area, and also click it OK. This after you understand about the memory. You simply go to the project and here memory allocation, that and other all things I will be in next lectures, I will be explain you one by one. This is our simply M0. When you like to start, click it, right click on M0 and your Y0 will be energized. First of all, you have to make the run PLC. When it's going to the run condition, after you can right click and click on Y0 will be set. And when you first, this have to be off, and this when you on, this will be reset. Second is what? Second reset we can choose from this area, this functions. First we will stop the PLC, and here we will, this also leave it here, no problem. We will make it another. Here I will choose another M10 for example, and here I will choose M15. That's relay, and I will take it here from this area. This is also another, this is set, and which number you like to be set, this I will have to be show here, write it here. For example, M200 I like to be reset, set, and reset also here it make M200 for reset. Yani. Simply we will download this program to the PLC. Just leave it here, no problem. And see, when I click it on, my M200 is on. When I make it off, but my M200 will be never stop. If you like to see, this M200 is on, and output memory, if you like to make it on with this one, see first this one, make it off, this is going to be off, and if you need this one, make it here one contact, stop the PLC, here you can M200 bit from start any output coil Y15 for example, I will write this. Simply you can download to the PLC and run PLC. And now when you start your M10, your Y15 will be run, because this is the internal memory M200 relay and this is the external relay. When you stop this one, but your relay will be hold because of your M200 is in set condition. When you giving the signal at M200 at reset after your coil will be reset. Later on, inshallah, I will tell you how to use in the program this internal memory and external memory. Already you know about this. Is Y15 is simply external relay where you can give one common and one your phase or DC voltage from the Y15 after your anything in the hardware, any contactor or whatever you like to be start, this can be used from outside. So I hope you understand this lecture is only for set and reset. This is the two areas. This is any one set conditions from here. You can make it directly to this coil, and one is from your internal memory set and reset function. This you can use this function in for also latched and unlatched programs. Also you can use for holding. Also you can use for start and stop control. Also for any special programs, any when you like to start something and where any pinpoint when it goes, this have to be stop. Various areas. Inshallah, next videos I will be explain you more about this commands. So I hope guys you understand about this set reset command. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.